Automated production lines are a key component of modern operations management, offering a range of advantages that can significantly improve organizational performance, but they also present challenges that must be carefully managed. These systems allow businesses to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and maintain high-quality standards through the use of advanced technology and machinery. Let's look at the benefits of automated production lines with real-world examples to illustrate each point. One of the primary advantages of automated production lines is increased efficiency. By running continuously, these systems enable much higher output rates than manual processes. For instance, Tesla's Gigafactory uses automation in its assembly processes, allowing the company to produce thousands of electric vehicles daily, a feat that would be impossible with traditional methods. This continuous operation speeds up production times, making the manufacturing process far more efficient. Automation also improves consistency and quality control, as it reduces the variability that can come with human labor. Coca-Cola's automated bottling systems, for example, ensure that each bottle is filled and capped with precision, delivering uniform product quality across millions of units. This level of consistency is vital in maintaining customer trust and meeting regulatory standards, which can be difficult to achieve with manual processes. Another major benefit is the reduction in labor costs. As automation takes over tasks once performed by human workers, companies can significantly lower wage expenses and reduce the need for extensive training. Amazon has implemented robotics in its fulfillment centers to handle tasks like storage and picking, which not only reduces the reliance on human workers, but also cuts down on operational costs associated with labor. Automation also enhances workplace safety by taking over dangerous tasks, thus reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. At Boeing, automated guided vehicles, AGVs, are used to transport heavy aircraft components, minimizing the potential for human error and injury during the production process. This focus on safety is crucial in industries where handling large, complex components poses significant risks to workers. Modern automated systems also offer flexibility and scalability, as they can be reprogrammed to produce different products or adjust to shifts in market demand. Toyota's flexible manufacturing system is a prime example of this adaptability, allowing the company to quickly switch production lines to different vehicle models with minimal downtime. This capability enables companies to stay competitive by responding swiftly to changing consumer preferences. Additionally, automated systems can collect and analyze vast amounts of data, providing businesses with valuable insights to improve their processes. General Electric, GE, for example, uses IoT sensors in its manufacturing equipment to monitor performance and predict when maintenance is needed. This proactive approach to maintenance helps GE prevent downtime and improve operational efficiency. However, the implementation of automated production lines comes with its challenges. A significant disadvantage is the high initial investment required to set up such systems. Tesla, for instance, invested billions of dollars in its Gigafactory to establish its advanced robotics and automation infrastructure. This level of investment can be a considerable barrier, particularly for smaller companies that may not have the capital to adopt such technology. Another issue is the ongoing maintenance costs associated with automated systems. Companies must regularly maintain and upgrade their technology to keep production running smoothly. Procter & Gamble, P&G, for example, has to allocate substantial resources for the upkeep of its automated production lines, which can add to operational costs and impact overall profitability. Automation also raises concerns about job displacement, as machines replace workers in many roles. Foxconn, a major supplier for Apple, faced widespread criticism when it automated many of its assembly line tasks, resulting in significant layoffs. This shift can lead to social and economic challenges, as displaced workers may struggle to find new employment in increasingly automated industries. Technical challenges and system malfunctions can also disrupt production. In 2017, Boeing experienced delays due to issues with its automated assembly lines, which required repairs and led to significant production setbacks. Such downtimes can have a ripple effect, impacting delivery schedules and customer satisfaction. While automated systems excel in efficiency, they can lack the problem-solving abilities of human workers. When unexpected issues arise, automation may struggle to adapt or address complex problems that require human judgment. Toyota, despite its advanced production system, sometimes faces delays when unforeseen complications demand human intervention to resolve. Finally, automated production lines can be less suitable for highly customized products. For example, in industries like custom furniture manufacturing, where bespoke designs are crucial, automation may not provide the flexibility needed to handle unique or niche products. In such cases, manual processes may be more effective in delivering the level of customization required by customers. In conclusion, automated production lines offer substantial advantages in terms of efficiency, consistency, and safety, making them a valuable tool for businesses looking to optimize their operations. However, companies must carefully consider the drawbacks, such as high initial investments, maintenance costs, and potential job displacement. By weighing these factors, organizations can make informed decisions about how best to integrate automation into their operations, ultimately improving their competitiveness and growth in the evolving market.